Hey guys, it's Connor here from DroidHelp. Hopefully you saw my unboxing on the privacy screen protector from Fami.com. And this is going to be a quick installation video. First I'm going to wipe down the screen real quick. Looks pretty dark. Pretty solid. See, if you look at it here, you can see through, and then if it's like here, it's totally dark. I don't know if it's different on the camera or not, but from my angle, you could kind of see through. I don't know if I'll be too pleased with this or not. Alright. Let's see, the directions here. I'm actually going to look at these directions that came with it. Clean screen, it says, up at the top. And peel and fold the mask backwards. Not touching your fingers. Yeah, bunch of general stuff. Okay, so, let's see here. Step 1. Peel off this mask before application. Alright, so I guess we're gonna peel this off and then stick it like this. Alright, let me just do this one more time. Alright, I'm gonna peel this off a little bit. Line it up with the earpiece thing. Alright, I think it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna let it fall. That's not really straight. So let me try this again here. Let's see, what can I use? Off here. Let's see. Yeah, that seems good. Alright, there we go. Now I'm gonna use this Best Buy card, I guess, since they didn't give me one. I don't know what this does to it or not, but I don't know, hopefully this will work. Just try to start from the middle of the screen and work your way out, and you should do a good job. This was perspective. See there, you can see good. So it kind of does its job, I guess. I don't know. If you like it, that's fine. Oh, this is actually a lot better than this way. So I don't know, so like if you're saying like a text that you don't want anybody here or see, I don't know, I can't see it that good from over here. Yeah, it works better in landscape, actually better than portrait. Yep, so that's the privacy screen protector from Fami.com. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, thanks.